Whether you're a seasoned electronics expert or just getting started with DIY repairs, having the right soldering iron makes all the difference. From high-powered workstations to cordless precision tools, we've gathered 5 of the best soldering kits on Amazon that combine power, accuracy, and smart features. All product links are in the description below. Let's dive in. Number 5. YIHUA 939D plus 3 EVO. If you're after precision and professional-grade performance, the YIHUA 939D plus 3 EVO is a fantastic choice. With 110 watts of power and a wide adjustable temperature range from 392 degrees Fahrenheit to 896 degrees Fahrenheit, this soldering station is built for everything from delicate circuit boards to general repair work. What sets it apart? Its dual temperature LCD display shows both current and target temps in real time. No guesswork needed. Plus, you get 4 memory channels, sleep mode, digital calibration, and even helping hands and a magnifying lamp built right into the station. And thanks to the innovative X2 storage system, your workspace stays organized and safe with integrated tip holders, solder dispensers, and a protective tray. Pros: full-featured, stable temps, multi-accessory kit. Cons: stationary. Not ideal for mobile use. Number 4. 160 watts high-power soldering tool. When power meets precision, you get this 160-watt beast of a soldering iron. Its LED digital display gives you full control, with simple plus and minus buttons, and a color-coded system showing heating, cooling, or idle states. The temperature range is wide, up to 932 degrees Fahrenheit, and adjustable in both degrees Celsius and degrees Fahrenheit. One great feature is the auto sleep mode, which kicks in after 10 minutes of inactivity, preserving energy and extending tool life. It also comes with a complete kit: 3 premium tips, rosin flux, solder wire, and a heavy-duty iron stand. Pros: high power, easy controls, auto sleep. Cons: display may be too basic for pros. Number 3. X-Tronic 3020-XTS. Next up is the X-Tronic 3020-XTS, a 75-watt digital station with features that rival premium models. It heats from 392 degrees Fahrenheit to 896 degrees Fahrenheit in under 30 seconds, making it great for fast-paced work. Included in the kit are 2 helping hands, a brass sponge, flux, lead-free solder, and even a side-mounted solder roll holder. Its standout features include a PID temperature control system, 10-minute sleep timer, C/F switch, and a flexible 40-inch iron cord for maximum mobility. And best of all, it's backed by a US-based team offering lifetime technical support and a 3-year warranty. Pros: quick heat up, pro accessories, long support. Cons: slightly bulky for minimalist workbenches. Number 2. Weller D550PK Professional Soldering Gun. If you prefer a pistol-style grip, the Weller D550PK is a classic heavy-duty soldering gun trusted by professionals. It features dual heat modes: 200 watts for lighter work and 260 watts for high-output tasks. Ready in just 6 seconds, it's one of the fastest heating options on this list. Perfect for quick repairs or heavy-duty jobs. The fingertip trigger lets you instantly switch between power levels, giving you control without slowing down. This kit includes 3 tips and solder, all in a hard-carrying case. Pros: super fast heating, powerful ergonomic. Cons: not ideal for precision micro soldering. Number 1. Fanttik T1 Max Cordless Soldering Iron. For ultimate mobility, the Fanttik T1 Max is a game-changer. It heats to 840 degrees Fahrenheit in just 7 seconds. And with its built-in 2,600 mAh battery, you get up to 60 minutes of cordless operation. Switch to wired mode for continuous use. It supports both DC and USB-C power. The smart gravity sensor puts the tool to sleep when idle and instantly reactivates it when picked up. Its tail knob gives 6 temperature levels, and the compact aluminum stand doubles as stylish storage. Pros: Cordless and wired use, super fast, smart sleep cons, lower power in cordless mode. There you have it. 5 of the best soldering irons for every kind of project. Whether you're fixing a circuit board, working on a stained glass project, or building electronics from scratch, there's a perfect tool for you. Check out the links in the description to learn more or grab one today. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tool reviews and smart buying guides. Thanks for watching. Thanks for